everyone, and welcome back to Weight Loss Smoothie Sensations. My name is Melissa. If you are new here, I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. About 5 years ago, I started researching sustainable weight loss, and now I love sharing everything that worked for me with you. This is a series that I do where I feature a new weight loss smoothie every week. Let's go make it now. I am so excited for this week's smoothie. It is my green breakfast smoothie for weight loss and gut health. Let's go make it together. On my channel, you will find a variety of weight loss tips. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I upload new videos every week. First off, I want to invite you into the weekly challenge. If you've been following along with this series, we are on smoothie number 18, and you should be so proud of yourself. And I'm sure you are seeing the weight loss results. If you're new here, it is not too late to start. Simply make the commitment to yourself to prioritize your weight loss and make this green breakfast smoothie along with me this week. And remember, if you're following along with this series, I always encourage you to go ahead and screenshot this page or even pause the video so that you can jot it down quickly. It's so important that you have it to reference so that you can go to the store and pick up the ingredients to make this smoothie this week. And also, all of my smoothies are made with intentional ingredients that are going to chemically work inside your body to get you the weight loss results you want. Let's go over the ingredients for this smoothie. Half a banana, half a cup of red grapes, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, unsweetened, half of an apple, 1 cup spinach, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, and half a cup of unsweetened almond milk or any plant-based milk. I really want to encourage you and motivate you to start making these smoothies each week. I am telling you, when I first started out with my weight loss journey, I had no idea where to start. So I just started researching and understanding how chemically inside your body different ingredients get you the results you want is when I landed on incorporating these smoothies into my daily meal plan. So the best way to utilize this series is to pick the smoothie that we're making this week, make it along with us, and then go back to my Smoothie Sensations playlist and look over those smoothies and start incorporating them into your daily meal plan and your weekly meal plan. Switch it up so that your body doesn't get used to it and plateau, and you're giving your body all those ingredients that it needs to accelerate your weight loss. With this being said, all of my smoothies are intentionally so easy to make. This way, you're more likely to stay consistent with it and you're going to get the results that you want. What it really comes down to is making the choice to lose weight and then being consistent with the actionable steps that you can do to get that result that you're looking for. In a blender, combine the banana, red grapes, Greek yogurt, apple, spinach, chia seeds, flax seeds, ginger, water, or almond milk. If you're wanting to use water in place of the almond milk, I always throw that in there because not everybody enjoys almond milk. And then blend on high until smooth and creamy. And finally, pour it into your favorite glass and enjoy. I am telling you, these smoothies stave off hunger for me for up to 3 to 4 hours. And that is one of the main things with weight loss. I never wanted to be hungry. I didn't want to feel like I was being deprived. And incorporating these smoothies into my morning routine, I never feel hungry. So, if you're anything like me, you want to know why what you're putting into your body is going to help you with your weight loss journey. And if you are taking your weight loss seriously, it's so important to understand why, because this is what helps give you the mindset shift and it helps you create the consistent habit of choosing the healthier ingredients to put into your body. So, let's go over the weight loss benefits of this smoothie. It is packed with fiber and antioxidants. And fiber is something that we overall are lacking in our daily diet. It also has probiotics from the Greek yogurt and anti inflammatory ingredients from the ginger. Now, what does that mean for us? Well, ginger for me is a superfood. Once I started adding ginger into my smoothies and I even sprinkle it onto salads, I am telling you, the anti inflammatory results have been incredible. I never have that bloated feeling. I always have a flat tummy, and it just has really accelerated my weight loss. The probiotics from the Greek yogurt are going to help support your gut health. And if you've checked out any of my other videos, you know that the two go hand in hand. To have healthy, maintained, sustained weight loss, you have to have healthy gut health as well. So, this smoothie is going to give you both of those benefits. Like I said before, I so enjoy this smoothie. It supports my gut health, it aids in my digestion, and it promotes my weight loss by helping keep me full and satisfied. This is one of my go to smoothies. I probably make it up to 2 to 3 times a week. I so hope you'll join in the weekly challenge. Like I mentioned, this is smoothie number 18, but it is not too late to start. Simply go to my Smoothie Sensations playlist. All the smoothies are there for you to choose from and start incorporating into your daily meal plan. Make the commitment to yourself to prioritize your weight loss. Enjoy this delicious green breakfast smoothie this week and start adding in all my weight loss smoothie recipes into your daily meal plan. I hope to motivate, inspire, and encourage you with my videos. And I am telling you, be consistent and you will see incredible results. All you're doing is forming that habit to put the right ingredients into your body, and you are going to see that weight fall off. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you will make this green breakfast smoothie at home this week. And if you like this video, please take just a moment to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And please comment down below if you plan to try it or if you have been going at these weight loss smoothies for a few weeks now or a few months. Leave a comment to inspire the rest of us. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process. It's important to focus on sustainable habits rather than quick fixes. Consistency is the key. Check out some of my favorite meal prep kitchen gadgets to help keep you on track for reaching your weight loss goals. I have them all linked in the description box down below.